Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy, Indoor Gardening Chronicles. I am planting things and growing things, starting from seeds, starting from store-bought items, and I just wanted to bring this to you and show you that I had cut in a previous video the tops off of this Bok Choy that I got from the Asian market, and I think I'm going to place them in some soil and some amended cocoa coir because they look as though they're growing, they are growing, but they suck up this water so fast and then the outer leaves rot. So to stop all that, I'm just going to put them in some cocoa coir and just water them every other day or however much needed. So I have a shoebox, a plastic shoebox that I previously used, and I placed a bunch of holes in it. And then I will use the base, the top rather, for the base to catch the water. This is a great DIY garden indoor growing tip. This might be too much to put in here, but we're gonna see. Might have to use 2 of them, but we'll see. So I have some cocoa coir mixed with perlite and sand, and I'm just going to, oh, hold on. First, I always line the bottom of my containers with a thin paper towel or coffee filter. So I'm going to place this in the bottom. Then it just avoids the dirt, the soil falling out from the holes onto the tray. Or should I put tomatoes? And just a thin layer. I don't know which one I'm going to do. Tell me what y'all think. And I don't know if you hear in the background, but I am catching up on CC's Texas Garden video. She is doing so much out there. I'm so proud of her. Working very, very hard. Anywho, let's put the cocoa coir mixture in here. It does pretty good in this area before. And I have my corn there. I put a lot of perlite in there. That means that in the evening time it'll be tall. And some sand. So my tomatoes will get evening shade. So that it makes the soil loose. That could work. I'm going to fill it up maybe to about an inch or so from the top. My beans all in here. And let them start growing up. My bush beans. Let's see if that's enough. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, the soil is very loose. Just tap it. Pat it down a little bit. And let's go for it. Let's see what this first one. I think there's 2 in here. So I'm going to pour the water out into this container. And let's take a look at them. I think I have 2 small ones in here. Yeah. Oh! So see how the leaves rot on the outside? So I'll take that outside one off and just stick this down in the soil. Not have no aphids because we ain't playing this game. We're not playing with no aphids, but these are good. I can put a couple little plants around up in here. These are coming out. Turn it this way. My Chinese broccoli. Like I said, I don't know if all these fit, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna put as many as I can in here, and I'm going to kind of stagger them. I know the bees are looking for any kind of. I don't have any. Look around here, y'all. This one's in here pretty tight. One beautiful flower going on in here. I do not. Everything. There's no rot on this one, but I'm going to peel back a couple of these leaves. Which is sad. It's great sadness. I do need to come and bring these wood chips back. And I am going to start planting my wildflowers. Yeah, I'm going to peel it back to the green. My wildflowers, my zinnias. Let me do this. I'm going to peel this one back also. I'm also going to plant in this front bed over here some more flowers up in there. The onions. This is the onion bed right here. I was going to stagger. I'm just going to put them side by side. The Japanese red mustard. I got a carrot. I may put some more carrots in there.
Yeah, just sprinkle some more carrot seeds in there. I'm working on this celery cabbage. This is just an ornamental cabbage. So, I mean, some people may eat it, but it was more of decorating kind of thing. The ants have came back over here, and I'm just looking.
So all this is new growth from where I cut the tops off. So they are growing, which I'm so glad. And I'm told by Cece that if you use cocoa coir without soil, that you don't get the gnats from this type of mixture. So I'm praying that I don't get those fungus gnats, because that's why I didn't want to do anything indoors, because they drove me crazy last year.
No.
But I got a backup plan in case I get some. I hope not.
Okay. I'm gonna have to take them out. I don't like the way they're all wet inside and stuff anyway. So I will take them out.
Yeah, this isn't going to be big enough for all of these.
In this bed. I do have to think about where I'm gonna put squash.
But that's okay.
Yeah. The beets I think will be okay. They will, bounce back. That beet is gone. But those,
And of course, I'm going to put that in the compost.
We are about to get close to 70 temps. So,
if I peel back these outer leaves, it makes the bok choy smaller.
I know things happen.
Oh, I just broke that one. Doggone it. Didn't mean to.
What's going to happen? But yeah, I'm going to take these out. They're not looking that best. Look at that. That's just, no. We want good.
That's a nice looking one.
So I'll snip some of these down. I won't take the roots out. I'll cut them down at the base. Let me see. I haven't put my wood chips over here. That's why it's all soggy in this area. The wood chips are not in here yet. Because your girl back.
I can get 2 more in here. And it still might be a little crowded once they start growing, but I'll watch it and see.
This one don't look too bad.
Up pot them again if I need to. But this way, I can cut off my bok choy as it grows and as I want to use it.
Maybe it'll grow out some more leaves. This one don't look bad. It just has this bad leaf right here.
All right, let's get one more in here. What's the best looking one?
Take that off of there.
Let's see.
This one.
This one, I think.
It may do something. I may keep that one.
Yep, this one.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, and I did see a root on this one.
Man, I have some work to do, y'all. I do.
All right, I put these 2 other ones. See how mushy they? Let me show you something. See how mushy it gets? The outer leaves in the water. And then you have to change your water so much more often. So I'll take the outer leaves off of these, and I'll just get a little small container and put them in.
Nope, peach. This is from Drill. It's a red skin peach.
I only have 2. 2 left that didn't fit in here.
Peach. And but yeah, this is the beginning of the year. Things do look bad right now, but they're gonna bounce back. I'm gonna cut this all down. You see,
okay.
This is already coming up.
I'm just gonna pack the soil, maybe put just a little bit more around each one.
They're gonna come back. I don't think they're completely dead. They just need time to come back. Yeah, just time to come back.
Or I could push them down in here further. I could do that because this is a lot of soil. Enough soil. So that way I won't get soil inside of these. I think that's what I'm going to do.
My leaf of life, I need to cut her back even more. Cut her little stems and to still be growing.
I'm just going to use this plastic fork. I use plastic utensils in my gardening. I use them for labels, tags, and other things. So I'm just going to use this to compact the soil around each one so that they're in here sturdy.
She is still here. My dinosaur kale is not looking the best. I need to cut it down a little bit more of these things off of here. But I think
it helps get in between because it's small.
Oh, she split. Did you split? Or you got 2 parts to you?
So I got soil in this one. I don't know if that's
I
gonna
don't know.
do any damage. Let me, you know
I
what?
think you'll be okay.
I'm gonna turn it upside down and try and tap it out.
I think it was just 2 parts.
Help it out a little bit. Then I'll put it back in
She
here.
did, but she was healing. Okay.
Oh,
I'm gonna leave you alone.
that's what I could do. Use this fork to help dig it down a little further. Now there's soil in this one too, so I'm gonna tap that out and then dig this soil down a little bit further. There we go.
That's a carrot right there.
Okay. Let me dig these all down just a little bit further. And then pack the soil around
We
it.
got a domino. He looks rough, y'all. He looked like he'd been through the storm as well. He needs a bath. But I don't want to bathe him because he's going to get right back in the dirt and stuff. Anywhere muddy. So I'm like, I'm not going to keep bathing you. My garlic kind of got hit on its tips. I think I'm going to cut these little pieces off.
So I'm just digging the hole down a little deeper to get these down a little further.
Some of these little
and then packing the soil around them.
I'm gonna come out with my scissors, my little clippers.
I should have had this fork from Jump Street.
What I'm gonna do, get my little chainsaw, come out here. I'm probably gonna chainsaw these. I hate to take the broccoli away, but I want them ones underneath to have a good chance, and I don't want.
There we go.
It's gonna get hot, and when they're soggy and moldy like that, with the heat, it's gonna.
Couple more.
I don't want bugs saying, "Oh yes, we got some rotten stuff going on." No, we're gonna clean that all up. My experiment, y'all. My experiment did not go as well.
Dig this one down deep, and then one more to go.
My experiment of my dragon fruit did not go well, even though.
Garden tool. How about that?
I don't know. It feels.
Okay. Good enough. We're gonna see how these grow, and then what I'm gonna do is just put these two back in these solo cups. Or do I want to put them in the glass?
I mean, it really is.
It might be too little. I'll put them in a glass. That way I can have more water in them. And just let these grow hydroponically. And I'll clean all this up so it can be reused. So now let me give it a good watering.
Oh, we got some deep roots.
And I'll set this in a sunny place where I had it before.
Wow.
Let's fill this up with water.
Okay. It has some deep roots. This cannot survive.
And this one?
It's all soggy. But my experiment to see. This is my first try.
Okay. That is all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Grow something. Do something. Prep something. Save something.
Girl, I'm trying to help you.
Gotta do it. Times are hard. Times are rough. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Prepare. And this bok choy is so delicious. Thumbs up, please. Peace and love. Toodles. I love you all. Take care. See you in the next video.